Tell them we are coming. Tell them we are coming. Oguaman, we are coming. Cape Coast, we are coming. This time around, not for war, but for peace and solidarity. Oguaman Opimso is on his way. Asanteman is on his way to celebrate the Fetu Afashe with you this year. We are all one brother, one country, one Ghana. We love you and we are in to share our happiness with you all. Pia, Ghana man, Pia, Asanteman, Pia, Binya Sanko, baby, Pia, Nana Onkaso, Pia.
Just pick up your Bible. Y'all don't know why you can't get close to Michael. Me money pump me just for my survival. Man, I've been fighting this battle with demons inside of me. I just want to stay in my lane so nobody can bother me. Bitch, I'm too sensitive, intimate, touching me ego.